I couldn't get anybody to come out and play in the snow with me, so I'm just gonna come out and play by myself. Look at all this stinking snow. Now that's some snow. I can't even see the trail. So it's what is it? It's almost 8:30. I know because I only have 15 more minutes before I gotta start working. We got about a foot of snow so far, and it's supposed to snow all day through tomorrow. And if this is Asheville, North Carolina, I can only imagine what it looks like in Philly, where Mike's at, my boss, in New York, Washington, D.C., where they're supposed to get the bulk of it all. Look at this. It's incredible. So stinking cool. This is why we moved up here. This is why we moved up here. Amazing. So I'm going to go for a walk on our trail that you can't even see the trail anymore. But I can see footsteps from, there's been a bunch of people that have come out so far. I've been talking to them. They think it's funny that I'm from Florida and getting such a big kick out of this. If it didn't look so strange, I'd be flopping in the snow right now making snow angels. I might do that in the backyard when I get back. And it's really coming down still. I don't know if you can see it. This is so cool. Look at this, the branches are all way down to the ground. This is actually where the trail usually is, and the branches are coming all the way down to the ground from all the snow. Look how awesome this is. That is so stinking cool.